Welcome to ANY.RUN. We are a cloud-based interactive sandbox for detecting malware and investigating incidents, as well as a large database of IOCs, samples, and ready-made reports. ANY.RUN is intended for cybersecurity professionals first of all, but thanks to its uncomplicated interface and quick access to all data, it can be used to train and educate junior specialists. ANY.RUN provides a unique interactive approach to the analysis of malicious content. Your malware analysis takes place in real time, and you are directly involved in the process. Imagine preparing a workspace in a matter of seconds for launching malicious files, with no need to configure additional tools for logging system events and network sniffing. That is what ANY.RUN offers. Nowadays, running a suspicious file in an automated detection system is not enough to conclude that it's secure. Some types of malware or vulnerabilities, such as APTs, require direct human interaction during analysis. Our toolset for online malware analysis allows you to monitor the research process and make adjustments when necessary, just as you would do when working with a real system. There is no need to rely on automated detection. Detect malicious samples and collect massive amounts of information in real time. Downloadable files and modules. Network connections. Systems processes. Incident indicators, Mitra attack matrix, process graph, and much more. What are the benefits? The interactivity of ANY.RUN allows you to get initial results immediately after starting the task. The whole process often takes just a few seconds. Our service always displays all necessary analysis tools and indicators on the main screen, making it much easier to understand exactly what is going on. What's more, you can get analysis results faster. We strive to make malware analysis as simple and straightforward as possible for users of any level. Thanks to our user-friendly interface, anybody can start working with the service right away, without lots of instructions. ANY.RUN provides limitless access to online analysis. There are no restrictions on the number of files you can upload. Our cloud service allows you to run an analysis on any device, anywhere in the world, without using your computer's resources. There's no need to buy additional servers, software, or hardware. Every day, we analyze thousands of malware samples, which gives ANY.RUN users instant access to the latest data from all over the world. And on top of it all, the basic functionality of ANY.RUN is free to use. Join thousands of researchers right now and find your unique approach to malware research.